Hello travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to a hotel named Blanket Hotel and Spa situated in Munnar. We started driving from our hometown at around 4 am and Munnar is like an 8-hour drive from here. As soon as we come near the Western Ghats, the landscape starts changing, it starts turning beautiful. You start seeing mountains, beautiful lakes, lot of trees, and the feeling you get cruising through this smooth tarmac surrounded by these enormous mountains and trees is amazing. You know you are near Munnar when you see tea plantations all over the place. After 8 hours of driving, we have finally reached our resort and they had a very nice welcome gesture on our arrival. And they also served us welcome drinks which tasted refreshing.
Hello guys, we are at an awesome place. We are at an awesome resort called Blanket Resort and Spa at Munnar, and we have booked 2 blanket camellia type rooms here, and let me show you the rooms. This is the view here and our rooms are here. Let me show you the rooms. So one is this one, 502. Washroom. This is the room. And this is the view of waterfall from the room.
We have one more room. Bathrooms are similar, but the view from this side is spectacular. You just can't see the waterfalls, but you can definitely hear it. We had our lunch at the resort, which was delicious, and then we headed out.
So we checked in at around 1:30 and we had our lunch, and now we are going to the waterfall. I guess it's some half an hour walk or something which they have told. So we'll, if you can, I don't know if you can see, there's the waterfall. We are going there and the location is like awesome. I guess these are the tea gardens. Our hotel is there, Blanket, and the hills, mountains, and me. Okay, so let's go.
आपण विलायची खातो ना, दिसलं लागले.
हाँ, विलायची is cardamom. Okay, this is cardamom. Cardamom plants all over. So the seeds or the main cardamom is grown at the bottom of the plant. So right from the spot there is a tea shop, small tea shop. With this view. So I'll definitely recommend you to come in this place. मला पण एक टी. It was amazing. Whew. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the drone shots. Now we are heading back to our resort. I guess it's almost 6 o'clock. I mean 5:30. It's almost evening and we are heading back.
And directly opposite to the building there was a small garden which was also part of the resort, and we decided to go have a look. You have to climb for like 5 to 10 minutes max, but the view from the top is totally worth it.
I can just hear the sound, but there is no image. But I love it. Like, it's constantly moving. Sometimes it's totally clear. Sometimes it's like this. Nothing is visible. Wow! Oh my God! This is amazing, man. Amazing. Good morning. I got this cycle from the resort. It's free and it's morning. I thought I'll do some exercise. Not exercise, obviously no. I'm just here for the views. Let's go. It started to drizzle. I guess I'll go back, but look at this view.
After cycling, I went straight to the restaurant to have breakfast, which was included in our booking.
This is actually the one of the restaurants, but now currently it's under maintenance.
This resort also has a beautiful pool facing towards the waterfall. I badly wanted to experience viewing the waterfall from the pool, but unfortunately it was fully foggy, so the waterfall was not visible, but nonetheless I definitely did enjoy this experience. Now it's time for us to check out and to leave this beautiful resort. If you are also a nature or waterfall lover like me, this resort is a must visit for you. While you are here, I also recommend you to watch this video where I stayed in Radisson Blu Temple Bay Resort, which also has one of the largest swimming pools in India and is situated in Mahabalipuram. Peace out.